Hi guys, it's Sandy here and welcome back to my channel. I have here a project that I'd like to share with you, and what I made was, it's a circle style flip book. So this is what I made, and what I did was I used my circle die to create the pages, and the die set that I used was just this one here that I purchased online, and it's the largest circle that I used. And it's a nice one too because it comes with a nice stitch edging around the circle shape. So that's the die set that I used to create the pages, and I'll also show you how you could make one as well, but I'll just show you how it looks, and then we'll go ahead and create one. So this one here is just a nice fun little booklet. So what it is, it folds, it's nice and flat. It still holds a few goodies in here, a pocket and an envelope, and also embellished the pages as well. And you can make as many pages as you want to create this flip book. So this is the front page, and then you turn it over, and I just embellish the next page. I added a pocket here using another circle die, and then I just cut the top bit and used a decorative edge die to create a nice edge on the pocket. And there's just some goodies in there that I put there. It's a nice a little tiny envelope here that I also added a couple of die cuts in there as well, some little heart dies. And that's that one. And that's the next page here. That's just a pocket there. I added some cutter parts and some tags. And the next page here is just an embellishment that I made. And I just attached that with a paper clip. And this is the next page. I just embellished that page. And the last page, I just added one of my cute little die envelope die that I had, and in here about that little envelope die, which is for that one. So I added that in there. To that last page, I also added an eyelet and some trim just to give it a bit more decoration to the last page. And that's the back page, and I just added a sentiment there. So that's the flip book. So I'll show you how you could make one of these as well. You can use them in any shape pages you want. You can use squares, your heart shape, rectangle shapes. So what you'll need is, you'll need 4 of these pages, or 4 circles. You will also need something to join the pages together. So what I used was this tab die that I've got by Kaiser Craft, and when you cut that out, it cuts out like that. And what we would do next is you just fold it in half. So you need 3 of them. Now if you don't have this tab die, you can just cut out a piece of paper at 1.5 inches by 2 inches. You just then fold it in half, and you'll get your scissors, and you just cut one corner in an angle like that, and grab that piece and put it to the other side as a template, and cut that other side, the corner as well, so that they cut out the same size. So that's what you'll have. So you'll need 3 of those if you don't have this one tab die. And the next step is, you just grab your 2 pages, grab one of your folded little piece, and you will just glue the part that you don't want shown on the inside, like that. So I'm going to put glue here because I wanted the flowers to be showing. So just get some glue, apply glue there, and glue to the other side as well. So then the next step is, you just grab your first page, and we are just going to adhere that. So we'll go that way. just like that. And then you grab your next one and then you just sandwich that to the others, to the back of it like that. And just leaving a little bit of your folded edge just sticking out a little bit. So then when you open it up, you've got your 2 pages joined together, just like that. So then just put that over to that side and then grab your next page and just repeat the same. Just grabbing your folded piece of paper and just applying the glue to that side and then to the next side. And then you just grab your 2 pages that you've joined together, adhere that to the back of that, making sure that that all line up. Alright, then grab your next one and sandwich that to the top, making sure they're all together. So then you should have your pages done. And then your last one. And then we'll just place that to here. So you can, like I said, you can add as many pages as you want to your booklet by just repeating the same steps. And that's your flip book done. It's your first page, second, and your third. And then just to create this sort of pocket, you just have to cut up another circle and then just cut it in half and then just adhere it to the page, and that gives you your pocket. So and that's it, and then just embellish it and have fun with it. So I do hope you enjoyed this fun project, and I hope you get to create one as well. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye for now.